Are you looking for a simple yet effective exercise that can help improve your strength and endurance? Look no further than the humble push-up. Not only it's a great way to target your chest and shoulders, but it also engages multiple muscle groups and can even help improve your mood. In this video, we'll share 5 tips for increasing your push-up count and getting the most out of this classic exercise. Tip 1. Focus on proper form. Before you start trying to increase your push-up count, it's important to make sure you're doing them correctly. Proper form involves keeping your body in a straight line, engaging your core muscles, and lowering yourself down until your chest nearly touches the ground. But how do I know if I'm doing push-ups with proper form? Well, the answer is quite simple. A good way to check your form is to record yourself doing push-ups and watch the video back. Look for any arching or rounding of your back, flaring of your elbows, or shifting of your weight. You can also ask a trainer or experienced friend to watch you and provide feedback. Tip 2. Add variations. To challenge yourself and target different muscle groups, consider adding variations to your push-up routine. Some popular variations include incline push-ups, decline push-ups, and diamond push-ups. You can also try adding weights or resistance bands to your routine for an extra challenge. Did you know that push-ups can be a great way to improve your posture? By strengthening your chest, shoulders, and core muscles, push-ups can help you stand up straighter and reduce the risk of back pain. Before reaching to the next tip, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon to keep you updated. Tip 3. Train your triceps. In addition to targeting your chest and shoulders, push-ups can also be a great way to train your triceps. To focus more on your triceps during push-ups, try keeping your elbows close to your body and pointing backwards instead of out to the sides. You can also try adding tricep dips to your routine, which involve lowering yourself down with your arms behind you and your fingers facing forward. One commonly asked question: can push-ups help me lose weight? Yes, push-ups can be a helpful addition to a weight loss routine. Because they engage multiple muscle groups and burn calories, incorporating push-ups into your workout routine can help you burn fat and lose weight. Fact: did you know that push-ups have been around for over 100 years? They were first popularized in the early 1900s by fitness guru Jack LaLanne, who used push-ups as a way to help people improve their fitness and overall health. Tip 4. Don't neglect rest and recovery. One common mistake people make when trying to increase their push-up count is not giving their bodies enough rest and recovery time. It's important to give your muscles time to repair and rebuild themselves between workouts, so try not to do push-ups every single day. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week, and make sure to take rest days in between. But how long will it take to see results from push-ups? Answer: this will depend on your fitness level and how consistently you're doing push-ups. However, in general, you can start to see results within a few weeks of starting a push-up routine. Your muscles will start to feel firmer and stronger, and you may notice an increase in your overall strength and endurance. So, how many push-ups should I aim to do per day? Well, this depends on your fitness level and goals. If you're new to push-ups, start with a smaller number, such as 10 to 15 per day, and gradually work your way up. If you're more advanced, you may want to aim for 50 or more per day. Hit the like button if you are liking the video. It motivates us to bring up more of such interesting stuff regularly. Tip 5. Incorporate cardiovascular exercise. Finally, don't forget to incorporate cardiovascular exercise into your workout routine as well. While push-ups are a great way to improve strength and endurance, they don't provide the same benefits as aerobic exercise like running, cycling, or swimming. Try to get at least 30 minutes of cardiovascular exercise per day to help improve your overall fitness and health. Remember, exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Regular exercise, including push-ups and cardio, can help improve your mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. So even on days when you don't feel like working out, remember that the benefits extend far beyond just physical health. Push-ups can also help increase your metabolism. Because push-ups work multiple muscle groups at once, they can help you burn more calories and boost your metabolism, even after your workout is over. In a nutshell. So you have it. 5 tips for increasing your push-up count and getting the most out of this classic exercise. Remember to focus on proper form, gradually increase your count, add variations, train your triceps, don't neglect rest and recovery, and incorporate cardiovascular exercise into your routine. Remember, progress takes time, but every small step forward is an accomplishment worth celebrating. Don't give up, keep pushing yourself. By following these tips and staying consistent with your workouts, You'll be amazed at how quickly you can improve your strength and overall fitness. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with a new video to keep you fit. Share it with your friends and family to improve their quality of living too.